Hey, good morning guys. It is now 6:30 in the morning and Toby and I, who is from Motocross Phuket, yeah, check it out. We're gonna be doing a 4-hour ride in the jungle today and it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. This is my bike that I'm gonna be using. This is the 250 Honda. Oh, damn. Super fast. And then there's also the Kawasaki 125. Yeah, and it's been so good. They gave me a nice breakfast, nice eggs and some onions and some tomatoes and a little bit of sweet potato. So delicious. So I'm all fed. Got a lot of water. And I'm about ready to go. We're trying to catch the sunrise, so we better move. So I'll catch you guys on the trip, man. Peace out. Hey bro, this is a lot of work. This is actually too hectic for me, so that's why he's riding the bikes up. Because there's no way I'll make it up here. Okay, here he comes. Check it out. Or maybe not. Can you see my eyes? Can you see my eyes? That's sweet, man. That's sweet. It's sweet. Hey, something's creeping up my knot here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Dit was een melding. Yo, mijn vrienden, dit kan niet. It was amazing. I can only recommend this to anyone that has some sort of motorcycling experience to at least give it a try. The intro courses, it's like 900 baht for 9 laps of the test track. I loved every single second of it. I fell a few times, but unfortunately that wasn't on, for some reason wasn't recording. How lucky am I? Anyway, yeah, check it out. They are in Chalong, which is near Big Buddha. The office is down here. You'll see it in the main road going up to Big Buddha, and then the test track is further up. You'll just follow the signs and you'll find it. But man, worth it. Even if you have just a little bit of manual motorcycle experience, do it. It's nothing better. I mean, literally it was the highlight of my trip, besides all the other highlights of my trip. But yeah, one of the big ones. There was times where I was like looking forward to it, and there's times I was a bit scared, but I survived it, man. Look at me. I'm a professional athlete. See you guys. Peace.